I want to give you an introductory look to our new dashcam view. So dashcam view, first thing you're going to notice when you get into dashcam view is there are a lot of different events for your entire operation. So the new event of dashcam view is going to provide you all your events for the last 7 days all on one screen. Walking through this screen, you're going to notice in the top left-hand corner there's a Vehicles tab, which, as you can see here, is your view. We also have a new feature for following operators. So if you have operators assigned to specific vehicles, you can follow those operators along as well. I can now also filter down between departments and groups. I can also search for vehicles. So for those operations that have hundreds of cameras within your fleet, it allows you more flexibility. Speaking of flexibility, you notice this list here, this line items. You can actually expand on those line items to get you additional information such as address, also how long they've been active or how long they've been inactive. Going along the top here, we have videos and images saved, shared, requests, and dismissed. So if there's maybe an event that you review, you want to dismiss it, it'll kick it over to that tab. And if you need to review it later, you sure can. We also have ways and flexibilities to narrow down into specific event types. And those event types, then you can also review those or click clear filter and it'll go back to that standard view. Another new piece that we added was this analytics section. So this analytics section, you'll notice that it does change depending on what view you have. So the data points that you're going to be provided are going to be week over week. We also have peak hours and busiest day, top events. You can also do categories and events by vehicles. So there's a lot of different data points that help you improve safety within your operation. Let's get into a specific event type. So if I were to click on a specific event type, you'll notice that this view is slightly different as well. And this one allows you to look at videos at the same time. It also provides you additional data, both on the bottom along with the right-hand side, and then it provides you that location as well. There is images attached to almost all videos, and you can actually see those as well if you like. Otherwise, you can look at specifically just for the video. So that's kind of the default that we have is just the videos, but there is some flexibilities. You can share this video, you can save it, and you can also request the clip.